Make sure that you schedule your regular follow-up appointments with your loctician. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am spending a little bit of time with a few of my grandchildren today, especially spending time with the youngest grandchild. He was 2 months old on day before yesterday. Today is Tuesday, so Sunday he was 2 months old. And I've had to do my hair differently in order to hold him in the way that I want to. And I am trying to do that again today. And I'm going to show you what I have been coming up with. But in the meantime, I'd like to just thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos. I thank you for doing your best to uplift and encourage me. For those of you that have donated financially, I pray that God grants a special blessing to you, because it was quite a pleasant surprise. Quite a pleasant surprise. And I just thank God for you, because I realize that that's what family does. Family support each other. And if you have not joined the Gene G family yet, I am asking you to join. And I want to let you know that there's always an open invitation for you to join the Gene G family. Another thing I wanted to talk to you about was making sure that you schedule your regular follow-up appointments with your loctician. Not just for retightening, but to make sure that everything is going okay with your hair. I know sometimes we think that we are going back too quickly to get our hair retightened, but there could be other things, other issues that are going on or happening within your locks that you can't see personally. And therefore you need to have someone else to take a look at your locks to make sure that all is well. I am going to show you a clip of a follow-up appointment, and my client did exactly what she was supposed to do, and shampooing her hair twice before coming back for her 4-week follow-up. But there were a few issues. Nothing major, nothing that we couldn't take care of during the follow-up. And for that reason, you should not take too long to come back to see your consultant or your loctician, so that they can, along with you, ensure the health of your locks. Because that's what you want to do. Make sure that you maintain healthy locks. Yeah. So in the next clip, you're going to see a snippet of one of my follow-up appointments with my client, with her new Sisterlocks. And now my 360. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, my followers, my clients. But I especially love God because He's been keeping me. He's been strengthening me. He's been encouraging me through His word, the circumstance, and His people. And I thank Him for it today. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. All right, so how's it been going?
Good. I'm still loving it.
Oh, good. You watched it how many times?
Twice.
Okay, good. So you followed the instructions.
I tried to.
It
yes.
looks good. Does it seem to be thicker than it was when you left here? When you look at your hair?
Probably. Yeah, but I just figure it's just the neutral. But
Okay. All right. Okay.
but I don't know about the actual locks being thicker.
Okay, good. So you've been showing off?
Every chance I get.
All right, so this is your 4-week follow-up. And everything, it looks good.
Good.
It looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and retighten.
Okay.
And then we'll take pictures so we can keep up with this journey.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty.